How to log out of the Messenger app. First, open the Facebook Messenger app. Then, tap the three lines icon to open the menu. After, tap the gear settings icon. At this moment, scroll down and tap on See More in the Account Center. At Account Center, scroll down one more time and choose Password and Security. Next, scroll down a little more and tap on Where you're logged in. On this section, select the account you would like to log out of. Now choose the device you wish to log out of. Finally, tap on Log Out. You can also log out of all devices at once if you scroll down, then select Devices to log out, and then choose Select All. And after, tap on Log Out. Another way to log out of Messenger app is to delete it and then download and install it again. So, browse through the apps on your device until you find it. Tap and hold the Messenger app. Then choose Uninstall. After deleting the app, you'll be logged out of the Messenger app. Now, if you go to the Apple Store or Play Store, search for the Messenger app, download and install it again. When you open it, the Messenger app will return logged out. Deleting the Facebook Messenger app will automatically sign out of Messenger on your smartphone, but you'll still be able to chat with Messenger users by using the Facebook website. Touch the subscribe button for more Facebook Messenger educational tutorials. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks!